I love my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama. I greet the house. First of all, who be this one? You say Mary Edos. Mary Edos. I never start. You say me I no insult Mama Beatrice. You know see, Mambi Wana. Wana Ogbekuyevo. I never start. I just dey play music. You say me I stop insulting. Eh? My brothers and sisters, una know me, you take a rubbish. Una will mess up, I'll block you. That is first warning me, I just fell leave you. So my brothers and sisters, no why you may ladian, because no need na ya ze broken. We are with the we do go one, so no need. If no why you may ya ladian, uje mama baika. Kake wagi ye fena. Ika ahụ wee Jonathan gave ya fenyaku Jonathan gave ya fenyaku me Untouchable Mama ma be gwanjo na because me ma wo no na unu wa abe tatafo ana ahụ nyaku mama baika nika go we gwan e video nu iwa mi o ibe mi o ye febe ati no dera no iwa ye mi o nika go we gwan mama ya ba gbon na odion no mario genegbe katama when we oja o ewu un do because so esan le do we are one obi san gon we do so ni wa ze we ma so no need ni ya ze wo ni ma be han ra ho odion no mario genegbe oja o ewu ibi e kanya ya ku owo we de ne de dan ma we ma me ze kanya ma me gbogbe nya o we de ne di o ma dan always say omagwa say many gbe eri bie kanya ewu adam e o mare do tie bo no better adam e ho e video no yes o ma tie bo ni yefe you watch that a video no o ma tie bo ni bet when we ya we video ni emenu ta lojo ye na me we edin ogi ewe nu do ata ya to ta no ya adam e ho wa to ta uri ejo wa adam e ho oye na me we enu we ta the live video duata edin ogi we duata which is very bad e no why enyi very oni uwi ye fe ije no ije wu edin na send the message there o ma reply we aya go ma reply o we call o ma reply o we ne no do yin mi o da fiyen before nya kesun aku wa o ma na agun a eni nu tama ya ta we o ma na gie we ade do tene na. And the other one, oye na me we one information, always God sent foundation at the social media, which is very bad. Why member oyiyan? O anyi se, eni ya ni ata the group ni o kan do ya we live video. Ayo wan e gwi magbon na do wa me ye gwi. Iyan me settle, o ma be de gwanjo. We ma e di ye fe be e di oyan settle ne because what time we yan gwi me ma ho ije fe ma beta ni awe be no be we video no ma beta we ma gele gwi o ye nene mi o ma beta audio o we mi no wan iya na do bo agwi be no we na e private wi yan gwi o e ukpu we no we ya settle yan ukpu we no we ya settle yan do we gele yan wi yan gwi wa gele love video we love ije fe we no ta we you don't have anything against them e ukpu we no we ya settle yan na mo aje social media oni na defo bani anduna we ye fe mo kare bani o ka ni o mai bo ya ha ne nemi o ma mu ge di on e to mu ge we di on imu gwe nu we o mu ge mani re bani e mani di on gba o he abi bie ka no re ba o mu ge and me believe you we o ma we foundation wa ma na agui we can set it an yan we ma okay ma be di on gui rudi le ni ha u ne foundation ni abi mani re ba ni wo ohun yan to me igwe rudi ma be di on gui me na ni jo no enye ha we na e ma ni ye jo bona me we na enye o ma understand because we wa na wa mo bon mo azen wa mi no na azen wa mi no pa azen Oma mo kare ba ni o dem no yo we wo ge di ogun ayan nya foundation go we di on pa nya wo wa ya nya oma mi go wa donate go nege di on set gun di o me no me ya gun Gedi on to boy gwan we aye fe oka no mugu me don mu mi we o mai mu ja ha ge gwan ai gwan yo nu ai gwan yo nu because o we do va nya eva o mai ni nya mi egbe e o mai ni nya so awo se he dinya na agui ai mi kene na agui o bi na bi je be gui a be gui na be wa dolo o ma mi we ido afia idori agogo do afia o do afia nya kpakpakpakpaka wa je oji makune o wa je oji magui o ma be kune Audio we audio ni bia ka ya mi efo audio no mario wo ne gbe e de ne de gbe e de ne de ije fe awe foundation ge we foundation ge de no ri kan ma be we opa ye group re de no ri kan e ma be because em no we wona na ma ta we edion gi edion wa gi o ma nerere gba na ga to ta na watch video ni o we wa ge mi ne di on ta lo ma wo we do ya we live video ni wa lo na gele like edion mo problem ade u gba efua ni ya wa do amula dia we live video o na mo ka ade o na mo ge de ade o na mo no pare o ma na tore mo moto and then wa bi ye fe ame problem u fe si ye fe u ri edion you weary boy ni yo many things in no bun awe ran kakabo ashuko na wi for man yen got your sin yesefi yan gbe mi yo awo ne do the foundation so see ai yo boy yo ekunre wa be ye fe ame problem face ye fe you understand understand on no gbe message with God come need time and well she not pick Dion phone even they not pick Dion phone gumeta mo wa yan pa gumeta mo wa agbon ya opa this one no gwan la dia na agbon ya opa we are not character me or we are different ina mo women not I will offend me. Who offend me now calling at that moment. I will not pick your phone because it tell or you not need a damn in the mind. Or mommy, we can call you about or yakwe or near. Or say yahi. Iya ene ya set to it they are friends. They do on Canada yes or ya welcome. So why give me having no sense in now? I know an egui. Era vigenya gui o mo vigenya le gui o pique for o that moment o ma pique o what is your problem o ga pique gbo yo ke pare ni Nigeria na o college o yan gba make a peace forget about it emi na mo ade social media be no amana yi do won wetin yan gbe na yan va gbe hu ari yen wetin yan gbe na yan emi ni ya be asoto gbe yan me no mo kan ya sorry my people when no more can area ba ni e ona wi yan mu ime ne pu ajo we ade na lu na e ma o ma mo kan igwa nu we o mu ga bi kan ni na mi sa wo pon na iviore na ta viore di on di ajo ete di ovio anya amu ne jo e di on ga ni ma ne re ba ni that is charity o ma na be mu jo are gbe are we o ma wago ma na mu ahia big woman like you Beatrice Oma senu bia ya so fure je me na Oma senu bia ya so fure je me na what did they call you because I know me I block anybody today what not type but I no block you because may God may not let you eat what go kill you Oma mu ge dion no omu ge dion we ka we ni ye mo kana de dion genocide ge ye mu ge no do ya e dion be are ba anya dion no de dion re we bo dian so why ga take me ta what na le wa oye kere why what ten o wa do tan do je gede gbe wo to wetin yan gui yan to bi yan settle bi yan why samere jo why say fu ejo why say mangiju we no do are ere e me so rot o take time e me so rot for iye yan magbe gbi yan ku iyan ku beto okeke awo iwa pekere yan so aku o be dori agogo be do atamu wa yan ku ne a mais mieux veut dire moi job ije wu omo ejo hein and na kere no because of me understand what he may them why behave me wa gene na mi so o surprise me huh o surprise me because mama British we me wa do mo bogu we me want to read the Google because I na me when anything no go on that we foundation ni go mo ladian huh go mo ladian so what they call you with God come here and tell you my name yata mo because when wa na wa mo bo mo azengbe wa yo bu wo ya si ne wa zan gbo wa we mi no ma gba ne wa we o ma be opopo wa we ra se mi wa yo bu wa ya si olowo wa e life na o ma yo bo esi mi no lowo ha o ma yo bo esi mi no lowo we me gugu na no gbe message na re because yi oni mo bo ati e comment wa oni wa tem ni awata yi wa baba ni re amona so amona no pa do ma na kan lele ku okay me no mo kanire ni oya ewe mi ona mo ade ah ima sha o because we no wan believe if agbon o se em no wan believe so why ga tianti emi o ma ye se em no ma jo boya si no I not block you for now, but take care. You want to hear your brain. Any ya ata wa zen. All see na be bona masemana. All see life in na masogima. Huh? Why give me anything at all? Azon wa si ona, oso si ona, a family rakwe wa si ona, a family nienje, egbenona amodono, abe boro abe rioni. Budano na si mana ba da ore na ai job akari job no ma iya te ya mo la wo wo igo me momo owe igo no ri enu momo na me de to ya we mi de egume wala wo wala o si na me bo le finya na ona sweet so gi ma think many things no ma magbe emi no mama onya we ni ma gwa ya na think ya o ki ma bi a think emi no ma okay, Martin came in normal. And then so no mercy call we se for boy here. No we no see call we ni. Ye o get in lucky we very no your boy ye. No wa rudia on your wa we we say. No matter where. No when you can they can we ni. O ga boy here we gbe won. O ga lo we gbe won. Won so me down okay ma think money I think me away okay me no mo kanire ni be we no gbe message no we tanya with all my points you we so I be kan ya kan ya ewu wala wo wala ime mi wa ogezo use no se to nya eva du gele winya guyo because unu wa mana eme na ho me ma on ya dinya gu because at least o ma wa mana bia gu na be re be to o be type wa kede o ma me ya na ge mi no pa ge mi no we do ata wo ke ezo gele ro nu wa kete me na ni at least o pe ne me ho nu ye fe me ho we wa ge di o me tai we ge mi pa no go on o ma nyo do ma be na gu nya owiye mo zofo ne oda fun we adi owa wo ma ese nya ga di owa because o your element o na le parliament ere ni won to bo le gba le po di owa di ya na gele mi ewo mi agele gwi be no wa ta ni o because onu wa me na o ge de gbe na di ya na gele mi ewo tin ya gwi egbo meri o meri say ehinya eva when ya come together o sa gba na eginya gele agwi because already gbe iyefe donosage so wala wo nya bi agwi wa be seto egbo wa mana seto egbo wa Madam Beatrice we seto iyan seto iyan no I set you wo you understand the emenuta o ma tie bone of course he did that video o ma ro iyefe e no wa so no me we o ko ni no call ni no do aha me ye fe we e video ni ye ge o ma no e de to egbe very on my sister I don't know your my jene ni ni re o bia le ko awo ge hia o ya we eri e Beatrice wo no na eri o te no pa o ni I hate him na ni gbe Bella Jones wetin mama wetin you do wetin you do as a senior ni time awe because yan we gba na afo emi ne pa ika wo no ma gba o ma keke no ladi na live video no do awe live video we o ka no mu are ba ni ni wetin kole wetin gwegun do na feel we wa be di on gba yan a God sent foundation wetin kole o ka no mu are ba ni ma welcome me lawo go ya mu e were gbe na mu la adi because EFA was one of a God sent foundation ye carry him before ke do kyoge so I dey explain to you Bella Johnson as a senior no way senior you him because you ask wetin you do what wrong in okay di na e wiyan gbe o se to yan wo wa di na do ata live video and no pa no me ya call ije feni o ma enu edo because o ma ene kweria because ye fe ga me watch the video we ma we video na ba ka o ma rob you just o ma gele rob you you understand the way awo o ma agui why good le da e mugume o ye o me nu ya e mama rea but o ma mu ge dion o mu ade a foundation ge edion e be e ka ni be dio why a foundation ba ni ha na be ga na me ma ni be re ni wa mi ona because many people believe you well okwe ponzi na but wagima ni ma think mi ove enye soro wa ma gwa gbagui awu wa gi settle de eni tu kene here ne no pa wu oge fo na agbegbe o vision o ado yen embrace gbiyan iku ni wasun from there ami o no me sunu da wa tawo wa me na ire ni gbere gbeja wo e we gbe kame kan egba ba ni wa de mi ade o wa de we na ija iwa janu for your birthday or for nene iku iware but once any ma think we na no ri egun me na abi e obo we no kwere ye egun me obo we no kwe we be ri na obo we no kwe we be ri ya ime we no ya ha di ma bi think me o me no ma wagi ma think me o me no ma if mama iye febe edion agui wa me no sunu danyan I mind ireva because me ho wonu yan abe tata for without no wire no real social media ina ho riyan agui eri o ma no ke foundation onya wa babo e ke o ma ze no ga do oh na wa nya we me na ya pi wa no na afofu olowo people okay need say abema no tana na because wa bu no wa not tana okay wait when I make foundation ma me we ku ile ni kan vio le foundation ni maybe imego or imamu pon ni ri lo ni kan vio ni e manu we gba oge a foundation we here abema ni we foundation yen egwa we here because in gwa we here anything no ma viore avio etinya we e wa be mi na viore now I am your egbe dion we wa ibata ni aviore dion na vio pa wo na vio yo we avio ni ya hepe e ma no gba oge imeme no ma ya guwa gwa e mo ka be do si owe abe do ye ya te wa be ye huere ke do ade abe we o ka be no ye fe be dion be o pa ika be no iya ha pa ika mind your business iye tamawe as a senior mind your business because when we are gwa when you hear yan we isan here also isan no ho afo abo eruwe abem nana no we wonanya why me we dokpe wa re di on wa block you always getting too much because many people think we na di on say you na di on say na because edi o ma me gi o ma rokpa even me no we gun na ni dey tanani and nobody send me. I dey do am for my own. Me I block this person because I don't get time for rubbish people. You are gone because even get ave man e bring on yan likini even get yan wa yo bu wa sine wa so gbo wa no pa wo wa. It's very bad. It's very bad. So may everybody mind their business. Even when I have foundation, o kono wa ma na gba agui o ma ni na mo mi gwe u me right no ata we na ni wu mu o ma mu gwe o mu gie foundation we ma no re ma mu gie. E ma no re ba ni o mu gie. Wi yen ku we din ya ku ne. We yen ku o mo mi gie o mo mi ari office ore. Do you know where din ya ku ne? We me mi o ma na mi e na yen ma gbegbe ku wa ga de na ko yen wa ki se gbe yan ku yokore yi we ya yen ma ku we no de ni and then yen so ku ne de na. So as a senior, yatama because I say na you marry man you don't your born be mind your business. Wa onu settle in, do ma settle in, forget. No, I don't say Bella, Imawe any right to not take the issue. Listen to me. Issue of Baremana, no issue. You understand? Be oga me no, dima ina woni gwan ye nani. Iye fe west e waka no mu ade a God sent foundation woman. Finish. Ebi ni awore ho ene, ya we no bi awore ho. There is a need ro ni ado ya tawe. Egbo me no ya ewu, egbo me no ma ya ewu. O ma no gwa egbaku, umu emi gie Why reason? Ya wa pe tu ohun ma tai no do wa ma Some people go they understand what I dey talk. Emi yen kwa ibungbe mu won me aru awo idege. Edi o ma yin ni dabene na. Ame na so this one because when we ya gun, aye na me we uwe ba ni emu wata uwe a group of uwa or we do ya we live video, which is very bad. It's very bad. Okay, mo we mele gwanjo mo kajo mo nya foundation. Ugbo me and mo keke ni le gwanjo we wa gumo kana ade o kanu mure na ma wa we ma me we ku wa gumo ade abi o me nu ya ha no nya ere ba ni di ona re ba ni di ona keke no gwan we wana mo kana re imani de ibia kana wa ya mo kani wa mu gia were gbe. That's all. That's all. Because when we do ya land yan do gwan we o kanu mure ni wana arugu moto uwe ya safe we jo we no ni awere gbe tin ka ku yan were iku ni e were gbe won hu. Men do understand them in time like any meje me wa me brain I wa me sense me o ni ma we gba ku ona mo mi gun me o we meyan mu gi o e to mu gun me ave ma ni koko ave ni gba o we ni mu na o ga e ko avun me be no ya mu gun me imwe la dia wa ge na no ma na mu la dia o ma e ko ma na evun me mo mu gie o ma so ni mejo wi mo mu gie o wi yen vio ge ave ma na ni koko ivio ni ya wi nya e good ye ma na me so five so ba beg ni vio ni ya e na mu me ivio ni ya ne because ma mu azengbe I wa owe he igba to mu ere owe le business yen ya ari oto igba to mu ere owe ni ya me ya ta it's bad. Anya kana legberie edoni ma ya oye do ma ya hin oye do ma ya hin o ma no we ke no gwan is dion we ma understand when ye wu wa ya nya because o ma mi wu wa donate ne dion edion yi ne bre on ge no ha ya gwan wa ha gwan ne no o me bre on ge o me bre on ge so ki na do ya gbeti na do ya safe we jo na do ya mi we no wa we gbe iku me ma like Ando ya mi we ai wa so e le ban ya we wa gbo ni yin le we no pa ezo wa dore awa gbe edion ado ari edion hia ta hia we understand me when na so e le ban ya awe ano awe briatis edion ki we na ave ya ni gbene ni ya no ni block ibana ni block ibangage na dion sena o be kiyon we o be ari eri hia wetin they call you mama feel mind too deep. Come here, I tell you, matter my way. Agboya pa ikata ban because all say you only mo block him, but you only wa even so wa gwinya gwa, they will never understand. Ti all to lie brain. Ti all ke do lie brain we nana nuga atami. Maybe mama ni ma atana we di on we mama efe ogwi. Maybe okpa ika we iyefe ogba na igbezo. Only me wa believe. Do wa we na egbezo face eli o ma meju we. Eli o ma meju we. Eli o ma meju we because e di o ha de lo dota ma we je sin yan we ye fe yan gelegui. So me abem ni gati ave comment na because oje brain me ya boss because many people they will never understand. When you can ya tasi ya we they will never understand. Mama baika why no am respect the live video kata manwe. Mind your business. O me no aga gwanji yes you are a presenter. Where to present me but o me ni so na present. This one make can where the presenter at all. Make can we present where wetin make you carry con go our office. Now you get the office. Not be your own. Now don't get them. Why you carry and go? Abi o me ya no. Why gam wa aka wa gwan kere wa mo gbazin. E o me ya o me ma ya no erio. Egba mo kan ya bia din ya gele ku we nu weta ni. Egba from there yen do so aku. O do call we mama, I see the con where you carry con. I appreciate. God bless you. Only where my brother iku wa be so iku wa be soe iku le ba ni soe abi wa me egbe be ri oni de egbe ba ni okay benu what anya we they not dey play why you carry come go there when no more here and there thank you mama I see what you do God bless you carry on you know iku wa soe I want mama seto nya wa seto egbunya So let them say what you they talk for them. What you they talk, let them say. I don't even want me I even reply to yourself. So Madam Baika, stay your lane. Stay your lane. Or how we know I'm anywhere and if you are doing it time where or my money. Stay your lane. Try to understand. Yeah, vananya yen gbiyan. Because wo be o ma be wuwe. What's the now wo ma be wuwe. Iya yen kenya hana me gbe ati America to Canada dia oka boss ikebani. So area ya we mi. O ma na agui, u try no settle yan. Hona me wo ma be mu gift ya hian. Egba through that gift. Yen settle egbiyan. Oya egwa lowe any mo nana de nania so my equipment do settle. So my brothers and sisters, okay, my brothers and sisters, so we can when you have a so Madam Baika, a problem of very soon. As I didn't want to now think what total no think I know say you not you might hear bonnet who go that live video, but well, man when where person where you with another they play, why you go carry food go give her, you no give Dion, you no give Dion. Ejo ebe reba ni nia ore yo be ejo keke no riere ene no kai o ya reba ni ejo keke no ta we mani do kanu mugume do mu gberegbe o wa ya mufua we so try to understand so wa go me send the mama B I still dey respect you but try to change because me make I rub your not dear me because you talk your age I know say you senior me I will still dey give you but egba no man for a life that's all. Egba no man for a life because we emiesi we no area emiesi when no say na we emiesi because dinya na agui egba oke pari o wanya settle in we mine and a group nuje am information ala dinya do ata ma understand because when we ya gwani aye we ba ni o we na mo ya de whoever know when that man dey where you person where you with another play why you go give them food. So it's not right, because my dinya settle na any ya di on time away. Igbo di on they not calling you ma pick phone. But the other day or the other few days or pick phone. We do time away there you only call the ma pick phone but the next day or 4 days ago or pick or gumegwa. So why reason me wa me? Because I like the way we tell you do something, but if you sort of wow, I know they like them. I'll say, waiting now. Emma, ya maybe I can me on my phone. Because I'm even now we not I say I say for a journal too. Who try no settle in your must settle in your or you know you weary because money there. If you not do me where why do see any man do settle. So that is that, my brothers and sisters, because I know they like or a senior and women na me where emi omi your hand. Eko ya abalo me where but John na we na e gyo na do ibieka do me we fo. I don't understand what you talk. Me I dey block people because me why I block why make anybody not send her the video, please. Come here and tell you why now. What they call you Bella? You know see. Very meje obi ohana tie bone a Beatrice. Oh damn. Because any metana no cost for here. I know insult am. I know insult. I know say you go here why at my way what you hear. Otosheba mama they insult you for that side. No. More time before me get here born mama no dear me. If I know say you senior me before I get here born no logo. E me hanga tama we feel logbo. You do ari e brain we. No insult here. You are not right. It's just the truth. Because they don't have a block you back when you're always young. When you been unless you block you. And yes, so raw. Who onu dame or who onu at the home? They are friends. I make an egui or say what's a gui. Or say what's a yagui. I make an egui because any a bungbe. Or any like a. Most of them are team or way. Egam women, egam emi ma woman major. Just the soup ata. Imaya ge wo. So I know insult Beatrice, but I will tell her the truth. It am anything again. Or may take care. Or may take care. Maybe tomorrow. Now you call sign. Be a kind of ladin do a live video arrow, which is very bad. And no one away no man back. Or your person take her man with na ije na we na. O man dejo. Yes. Egba no ma for mommy we or joking so erube ya me brain no. So my brothers and sisters, Oma go wa ya take care wa take care. I ti abone okpaika. No, I ti abone o my save stage ni. O my we a video no we ya robi one day. So better we mi no man dey your time because yefe o sin ya we afin be group yan. Ona ga ewo we mi no man gba. Your handle tie we o my no emu ahian. No nya ere ba ni. Okay, we not eba na John na Iladiana na do tawe. Okpaika. I give vasabi we carry am, we accept am. Ekwe muwe. Man do I understand. I not send you over sabi with the night they worry you. I not send you. Normally I want man wa bag we ma ken wa mo mi gie bet eni so ro o ma yen no we not type ban okay ni wa make one example we not type ban ma o ma bag we o ma ni is that here o ma ko ni ene iwa do bone ga wata woke be no wata we iye fe radio nya gwe ga ta we eva bone gbe yan no ma ma yen me no na ha ya re ye no pa ma yen me no fa ya bu no pa de he no pa ma yen me no pa ya bu no pa de he si so ri jo wa owe imagine he ya we go wa true okana ya mu give office of from there wa ri ku imagine to settle also no meri oni there are many ways they no ya settle So my brothers and sisters, wa take it easy, nya wa ma bi ese obo ma yasi azan abi na be yo bo ma si obe obuse wo we mama Baika, I know say you love Dion. If you love Dion, anything no go on the group on wa do ya we live video and now go and say beg you do ya we live video do ya we live video because we mo di foundation mo egbo to wo help wa take care o mana we take care im no remind me tama we so that one wey tell me say me I no insult Mama B. I no insult Mama B. Me hate your boneba or tell you my age mate or the end of you. So that respect he very ene. But when no man back, I will still tell her. No, it's very bad. So I don't away a video. No do ya rovie mama efe. Wa we agui ni kata sin. Who wa walk bagui. So that is though. So my brothers and sisters, because says ona, I can legberie, my when now we not ya me ha don't know where, if they don't know where. That's all. So mama efe, we dion do agui was a take buwa gear because here we take we mu vi yo tan lu mo. So why gia ho agui me ho. Ave tata for without no why ya no really social media me na do one now we was to go again because if you don't know ya welcome the Canada or you read YouTube or you leg here. So I make an agree. So my beg is on hands soon no while or something like that. Only me wine when you what I so from Untouchable Mama, my brothers and sisters, any bad comment, yeah, block you well. But for today, maybe the TCI, maybe some people may yeah wine because many people believe you well in Okbaika who is right. Am I right? Emi ya we live video. Emi ya we live video. Because when we ya go ye na di on wa ge no do tai. O ma be no wo kole, o ma pike, o be gbe message. We ya go gbe message ge o kole. It's bad. Even no WhatsApp group. Amo ye ba ni for una. No wa ya adam e nu wa ewu wa o. Any outside the ado adam e ho. So Okbaika if you hear may you take can. Woman have like him in time where you are free to leave it, but you will have a general way. Because me like a no wine ni bia kadwa fi lu gbegbe. Oh damn it, we because of the normal respect gbe. It be a car of you. So my brothers and sisters, one love, I love you all. So why you am make bazen? I am make bazen. Because a life in okpa maya and so waro no wasiko we say we won your masse na lie wo mani gboeri here no ru dia no we man oni ga else you we em no so no. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. One love. I greet all of una wa na ni gbe sesese mostly number no where no insult Mama B. If you see Mama B they do something not good, hey bobo yo yes, more love. She's the best. But why correct or when normal deja why they tamay? Mama not be so now. How they take care? Madam. I mean my way or madam no better now when we normal deja why they tamay when no take care easy. Not be so. Uma get me happen, but me no dey let you on Japan until to have my way. I beg, I don't need you again because it may equally have a problem now. Also, no nia, I don't way. Owe kwon yo. Because it may not have to go up. Owe kwon yo. Or we may need day. I may not be none because Oma come when you may need the problem. Who forget the problem? I create at least we are been when you have our best settle. Then you will be a cool or really. Okay, I greet everybody. No problem. Waiting that they call you. As soon as Sian, last me Sian, now still tell us so. So do I take away or when we knock by? Make she continue. One woman may have a time where stay your lane. Man, understand because me man like in that time where stay your lane, stay your own, do your own. No, because as well a rebania. As well a rebania. Your hanya hari atiabo na. When you bene comment in atiabo no wa. When you bene comment in atiabo no wa. So that is that. So from Untouchable Mama, one love, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. May everybody not take una time. But I mean, commenting wagbene, no insult Mama B, not do this one. You hear one insult from my mouth. Mama, no time, man. You hear one insult from my mouth. I know insult her. Ọlọ́rọ̀ me keti ebo no man. Yeah, ti ebo no man. Ni ga ariave oriri. You keti ebo no man. Yeah, cause am I training me very only. Ya tita ma we na no na we me go ma dejo. Eh? I want me weather okpa the same thing. I want me weather the same thing aleta we na ma kan we. Eh? So, Mona bye bye, una ciao, I greet everybody, eh? So, Mama B, as I still talk and still time, what you time Mama B, I'm time well. You forget them. They will settle themselves. Na so that because o ma is e won settle man ogwi, e ma na agu na try no settle ya. Ya ma take care, try no settle, then no ya ma take care, o sin ya iya ha to biya settle egbinya one day wa gewe iya fa settle iya rigwi e bi o heke no je because we are exactly for ejo iya nu wa wo na ma wo di meleke iwe bigi ma no. So Mama Beatrice, I greet you. Not do video maintain the insult Mama Efe. Not do one because we are well ya me gbo motor you are a senior. Odion him. Odion e then we we video no handle ya atama. Even a video no we one no ya na what reply no na what reply. O ma tie bo no e. O ma tie bo no e. You understand? O ma ro we we ma me ro we yen, ma me ro we we. O ma ni me wa blame, o ma no call him. No call him Mama Efe ni. No ata me we weti e briatish nenemi. Ame we wa mi wa mosodo ta mo ma be no ma ni make na we gbe we. I will be safe for you. Who forget a video no do my like a video no ni wet to be wet a video no when I won't buy car. O matter heke okbo we no te we. Amamugwe, amamugie, or no nya ni ma when I am mulabani. I say for a say petrol. The problem is do ya bust. Okay, now I greet everybody. Bye bye from Untouchable Mama. One love. Bye bye. Ciao.